Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. On this episode, I want to go over Cornucopias and share with you a couple of reasons why I believe this project has a lot of legroom. It has a lot more room to grow. We're gonna take a look at the price. We're gonna give a Crypto Moose price prediction. So if you guys do get something out of this, make sure to smash a like button, subscribe, and comment whatever questions you have down below. So what's important is that right now it is August 15th of 2024. So taking a look at the market cap, we're at, I believe it was a 2.01. So yeah, around a 2 trillion market cap. Taking a look at Copi. So Bitcoin's at 56. Copi, it's at 3 cents. It's been there for a while. Taking a look at the month, yeah, it's down 24%, but in the crypto world, similar for a year to be a 12% displacement, not much of a difference there. So in fact, all-time high, I mean, the price has been 6 cents, 2 cents. We had this huge run up and then back down. So it's another buying opportunity. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, but at the end of the day, I think this is a good opportunity. This is a AAA level game. This is multi-chain. So with Copi, you can hold some with it on Ethereum, Base, Cardano, BNB. You can now stake. They have so much going on for them. Plus the node rewards, right? The partnerships with NVL. There's so many good reasons. And right now the price is not reflecting too much of what is actually going on. You're talking about a 25 mil market cap. This thing could get to $1 billion. So it's 10 times 4. Like, guys, this is a 40x opportunity. I'm not even joking. Like, yeah, 80 cents. Like, if not more. Like, this is what we're looking at. We're talking about a $1 to $2 Copi. That's what I think can happen. And I'll talk a little bit as to why I believe that can happen. So the real reason here too, if we go under projects, so categories, right? Let's look at gaming. Let's take a look at other gaming projects. You have Gaming Guild. How do we just get to gaming? It's under name, right? So the thing with Copi too is that, oh, here's gaming right here. That's why I had it organized. On the week, Saga's doing good. On the 24-hour, not too much. I mean, the whole market's down right now. But in terms of market cap, let's take a look. IMX, 1.7 billion in market cap, okay? You've got Floki, which is, I believe, a meme token. eGold, 700, so almost $1 billion. These are the big ones, right? Axie, Sandbox. Sandbox is only at $500 million, which is pretty high. But you mean Cornucopias can't get to where that is now? Like even Gala, look at Decentraland. These are down so much. And Cornucopias just looks better, right? Built using Unreal Engine 5, right? With all the NFTs that they have, the fact that you can already stake it, everything's transparent. Like, you guys should check out the Copi Cafe episodes. Like, look at the file nodes. The file nodes I'm really impressed with. Super impressed with. So here's some land. So the land, 145 ADA. This will change. But let's just type in Cornucopias or Copi here, just to give you guys a little idea. Now, there are a lot of projects in gaming. But if you believe that gaming's going to thrive, I think this game has everything available. So let's look at collections. Look at these. The file node access key. So all you have to do is register these. I think the floor of these are going to be 5 to 10,000 like next year. That's just what I believe. So I have 8 of these, and let me share with you how awesome the platform is through the website. So this is the link tree, guys. Head over to the link tree. I've got it pinned everywhere, all over socials. It's probably pinned in the comment section. So Cornucopias file node register here. You can use this link and get direct links. So I'm trying to help you guys out as much as possible. Let's check out manage nodes. So once you hit on manage nodes, you guys have to create a player's account. I have a channel for you guys. So if you guys go to Crypto Moose under videos, I've got a ton of videos, okay? So by the way, I'm already out in Vegas right now. By the time you're watching this, Moose is at Rare Evo. So let's put player account. I even misspelled it. It still works. This is a library for you guys. So type in Cornucopias or Copi. And I have tons of Copi videos, okay? Some are new, some are old. Some are 12 days ago. Some are over a year now. So I own 50,000 Copi tokens. That was a year ago. So I've been following this project for quite a while. And getting back to the nodes. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. The team, whoever built this specifically, I take my hat off to you. So, yeah. Here you can see everything. Copi balance. You can also connect things through Wallet Connect. So they've been taking this very seriously. Now let's look at rewards. So if you pick up a node, you can expect roughly, I think it's 9 to 10 ADA per day. And there's also a rewards calculator. So again, I'm just sharing with you guys already just by having 8 file nodes registered beginning in July. So it's been about a month and a half. I've already earned almost 3,500 Copi in passive income. So this is a great opportunity. If you guys do not own any Copi, or if you're bullish long term, pick up a file node if you can, register it, and start earning those rewards. Because Copi tokens are not going to be worth 3 cents down the road. They're going to be worth a lot more if they fulfill on everything this game has the potential for. So here's the website. It looks better on my screen. It's just showing a little weird because I'm screen recording through OBS. But look at this. Cornucopia is a cutting-edge open world MMO set in a world where humanity has ascended from Earth's surface and created a breathtaking new world in the sky. So you got bubble jets, you have land, and you can own these through the form of NFTs, right? Specific asset ID numbers on the blockchain. And everything's going to be interoperable, which I like. So the power of crypto is not just gaming. I believe in the gaming sector, but it's identifying the projects that will do well and win, that are transparent, where you can get in early. That's what we're doing in this video. Moose is getting loose, baby. So I just want to share this project with you. I 100% believe this project will get to at least $1 billion by 2025, assuming we're in a bull run. If Bitcoin can cross 100K, we're getting into a bull run, alts are pumping like we haven't seen in a while, then it's possible. Then it's very possible, okay? So guys, check out the link tree. Comment down below. What is your Cornucopias price prediction? Mine is $1 to $2. Let's just leave it at that. Minimum $1. Well, minimum 80 cents. See you in the next one, guys.